Hello and welcome to another Tycho video. Today I wanted to take a moment to share with you a new feature that has recently been added to the Tycho software. Now this new feature can be accessed in one of two different ways. The first of which is through the File menu of the Comet report. So if I go to File, I see a new menu item here labeled Comet Lookup, and when I click on that, it is going to return information about the comet for which I have generated the report. So in this case, I generated a report for Comet 12P Pons Brooks, and it then returned information about that comet. So these are all measurements from other observers, and they are sorted by date. So we have the newest, most recent measurement at the top of the list, and as I scroll down, I can see the oldest or earliest measurement at the bottom of the list. Now, in addition to that, I can also click on one of the measurements, and it will populate the right half of the window here with additional information about that particular measurement. So this is one way to access this new feature, is through the Comet report window here. But if you have not generated a report, or if you are just curious about some comet in particular, you could always navigate to the Tools menu. So this is the other way to access this new feature. So you go to the Tools menu and choose Comet Lookup. Then you can type in the name of the comet. So for example, C2025R3, click Download, and give it a moment, and it returns, once again, all of the measurements associated with that comet. So, and again, you can click on a measurement, and it will populate the right half of the window with additional information. So all of this information is sourced from a website called cobs.si. So this is the Comet Observation Database. So this just provides another easy way to access that information. So it's built in, and you can always navigate either to the Tools menu to do the lookup, or directly from the Comet report window. So that's about it for this video. Thank you for watching, and see you next time.